Dennis Seto. A section of UDA aspirants are up in arms over what they termed as favoritism and to some aspirants rather. The leaders have accused the party of endorsing some of the aspirants for various positions before the nominations are held. This comes after accusations by section of leaders that Deputy President William Ruto had endorsed Murang'a Senator Irungu Kang'ata for the senatorial position. The aspirants have warned they will quit the party if this issue is not resolved.
The UDA party leader, William Samoei Ruto, has pronounced himself on various occasions how the party is for the hustlers, and the party will be built by the hustlers. And we have always believed so. Therefore, we are surely shocked and dismayed and disturbed to see the party leader pronounce himself on some of the candidates he will support in the Murang'a County Monday this week. We find this unacceptable, undemocratic, subverting the will of UDA supporters, and more of making the UDA party of the elected leaders and some of the rich persons in it. We are equally concerned of such a move is only perpetrated in the Mount Kenya region. And looking back on how Jubilee party primaries were bungled in 2017, we are not ready for this again.
The youth have been cautioned to